I'm walking off the beautiful Kamala Beach, where there is lots of swimming, relaxing, walking, jet skiing, sunbathing and massages to be done at the beach. Then go shopping and dining. It is a beautiful beach with a promenade right along it, where you can stop and dine as well. But in this video, I'm heading to the street. Check out my other video of the promenade walk along the beach. Just off the beach there is lots of car parking, taxis, lots of restaurants, shopping, and then there's a street full of more restaurants, more shopping and everything you need. Markets, food, heaps of restaurants over there. Heaps of parking, car parking over that side. I'll have a look at this car park area of shopping and Thai street food restaurants. Then walk up the street, Nah Hat Road, and explore Kamala a bit further. Hello.
You want something?
Just browsing, just looking, thank you. This car park area has lots of shopping, lots of street food restaurants. Lots and lots of little restaurants here, like heaps. Those pretty fruits. I'm going to take a walk up this main little tourist street part. I'll show you on the map where it is. This is the main shopping restaurants for tourists. Along here, just off the beach. It's called Nah Hat Road. Tourist police. Oh, there's a hospital over there. A walk. Past the big car park. Restaurants and shops and a bar. Lots of tuk-tuk taxis. I'm walking up one side and back down half the other side. This is a popular street for tourists. It's full of restaurants, shopping, massage, bars, hotels, and a 7-Eleven, of course. It's just on 12 o'clock, noon, so the street is very quiet. Everyone's out at the beach and enjoying day trips. The street gets much busier at night. There are money exchanges, tour booking agents, tattoo parlours, tailors, lots of tailors for custom-made clothing, pharmacies, laundry services, everything you need. Shopping for clothes, shoes, sarongs, bathers, hats, bags, everything you need for the beach, plus souvenirs. There is a big sea and a villa market, supermarkets, just 200 metres walk up at the main road at Kamala Beach. This here is not the main road through Kamala. So it's pretty quiet for traffic. It's nice. That is the Kamala Dreams Hotel. That is where I'm staying. Lots of restaurants. They all open at night. Lots of tailors, shopping. That's an arcade, goes through to the beach, just there. We can walk through there. I'll walk through that arcade on the way back down the other side of the street. Stay with me. That is Mamma Mia, a great popular bar at night, full of people, great live music for dancing. Some bars and restaurants are not open yet, but they are later.
Shopping time.
Hello.
And beautiful dresses too.
Yeah?
Yes. I'm using chiffon dresses for.
Lots of tailors and restaurants. Oh, shopping. Hello, I'm just looking today. Lots of shopping and bags. Lots of bag shops. Lots of clothes. Lots of everything. Souvenirs, toys, lots of bags. Bags for everything.
Papa, that's a new one right now.
I think that is a school. Then I can see the beach at the end of the corner here. Alright, so I'm at the corner. I'm going to cross the road, we'll have a look at the beach, and then I'm going to walk back up the street. Beautiful. So I started walking up the street just where those pink umbrellas are up there. Let's walk back in the other direction. Well, let's walk back in the other direction just because things look different from the other way. Oh, it's a little bit windy today. Things do definitely look different from the other side. From the other direction, you see things that you didn't see, like inside the shops and the building, and the tops of the buildings and the architecture on the other side of the road. Hello. Lots of massage places, lots of restaurants. Oh, this is some. Let's walk through here.
Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Something?
Just looking. Lots of clothes in here. Everything you need for the beach. Dresses, tops, shirts, pants, shorts, hats. Lots of clothes.
Headshot, I don't know. Headshot.
Hello. There is the beach. Okay, back to the street. And here is Kamala Dreams, where I am staying. I'm going back into my hotel room. That's it for today's tour. I'll show you around this street at night. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And subscribe for more of Kamala Beach and the hotel room. If you're new here, I'm Linda, avid explorer, solo traveller, travel guide, helping you to travel better. Welcome to my channel. Hit that subscribe, bookmark me so you can find me again, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy travelling, travel safe, and enjoy the journey.
Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Something?
Just looking.